Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Speak Smart Learners. In today's video, I am delighted to share an invaluable list of basic adjectives accompanied by their corresponding Hindi meaning. This adjective being part of our everyday vocabulary hold the potential to enhance your linguistic prowess. By learning and using these words, you can improve your language and become better at communicating in English, which will surely make your expression more impressive. Adjective number 1. Happy. Happy, khush. Number 2, sad, sad, dukhi. Number 3, beautiful, beautiful, sundar. Number 4, ugly, ugly, badsurat. Number 5, tall, tall, lamba. Number 6, short, short, chota. Number 7, clever, clever, chatur. Number 8, brave, brave, bahadur. Number 9, cowardly, cowardly, kair. Number 10, generous, generous, udar. Number 11, stingy, stingy, kanjoos. Number 12, honest, honest, ईमानदार. Number 13, dishonest, बेईमान, dishonest. Number 14, strong, मजबूत, strong. Number 15, weak, weak, कमजोर. Number 16, wise, wise, बुद्धिमान. Number 17, foolish, foolish, मूर्ख. Number 18, friendly, friendly, मित्र भावना. Number 19, hostile, शत्रुतापूर्ण, hostile. Number 20, kind, दयालु, kind. 21, cruel, cruel, करूर. 22, patient, patient, sabri. 23, impatient, adhir, impatient. 24, quiet, shant, quiet. 25, noisy, shormagan, noisy. 26, polite, shishta, polite. 27, rude, ashishta, rude. 28, clean, swachh. 29, dirty, ganda, dirty. 30, calm, calm, shant. 31, anxious, चिंतित. 32, funny, funny, मजाकिया. 33, serious, serious, गंभीर. 34, smart, smart, चतुर. 35, dumb, dumb, मूर्ख. 36, healthy, healthy, स्वस्थ. sick, बीमार. energetic, ऊर्जावान, energetic. lazy, आलसी, lazy. helpful, सहायक, helpful. useless, बेकार, useless. confident, आत्मविश्वासी, confident. shy, शर्मीला, shy. outgoing, बातचीत, outgoing. introverted, अंतर्मुखी, introverted. eager, उत्सुक, eager. relaxed, आरामदायक, relaxed. stressed, तनावग्रस्त, stressed. ambitious, महत्वाकांक्षी, ambitious. content, संतुष्ट, content. 51, discontent, discontent, असंतुष्टि. 52, modest, modest, विनम्र. 53, arrogant, arrogant, घमंडी. 54, lively, जीवंत, lively. 54, dull, dull, उबोय. 56, optimistic. Optimistic, आशावादी. 57. Pessimistic. Pessimistic, निराशावादी. 58. Reliable. Reliable, विश्वसनीय. 59. Unreliable. Unreliable, अविश्वसनीय. 60. Atheistic. Atheistic, उत्साही. 61. Indifferent. Indifferent, उदासीन. 62. Curious. Curious, जिज्ञासु. 63. Apathetic. Apathetic, उदासीन. 64. Cautious. Cautious, सतर्क. 65. Careless. Careless, लापरवाह. 66. Responsible. Responsible, जिम्मेदार. 67. Irresponsible. Irresponsible, अजिम्मेदार. 68. Mysterious. Mysterious, रहस्यमय. 69. Transparent. Transparent, पारदर्शी. प्रवक्ता. 71. Inarticulate. Inarticulate, अन्यायतिरन. 72. Grateful. कीर्तक. Grateful. 73. Ungrateful. Ungrateful, आकृतिक. 74. Considerate. Considerate, Alright, that's for today's video. For now, keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more lessons, and hit the notification bell so you will stay updated. Until next time, happy learning and expressing.